Failed with major repairs. Technical repair report for bidding. Restoration with permit by a fully licensed vendor. Engineer oversight. 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Load test still may be required by the AHJ.
Okay, fire escape engineers here. This is the inspector summary video. 866-649-0333. This is a pre-existing non-conforming structure. You need an EPA renovator's license for scraping and painting. There will be no welding. This must be structurally sound and painted. This is a pass-fail video, and this is a pre-load test evaluation. Alright, we're going to get started here. First, there are 17 treads, so we're going to look at this. We're going to look at this platform here first, though. So we got 2-inch by 2-inch angle as the cage for this platform. This platform is like 3 feet by 3 feet, and you have 2 brackets supporting it. The whole platform is slanting some, so the anchorage for the brackets is suspect. Okay, the platform consists of slats. They appear to be 1.5 inches, 1/4 to 3/8 inch thick, and all along the where they're attached, it looks like they were welded. What's happened on this structure, there's a lot of painting, but it looks like the painting is covering up a lot of the rust and the rust jacking. So we're going to slowly proceed down here, and let's just get a grip here. And what you got on your tread is you've got a pre-manufactured tread, and the tread it hooks over, so it's all one piece, and then it's bolted to the stringer. The stringer looks to be it's a flat. It looks like it's 3/8 of an inch thick. You have this hook as a connection into the platform itself, and you have all bolted connections from the tread into the stringer. As I said, there are 17 treads. All this is typical. It's been painted over, so like in an area like this, you can see that probably needs to be grinded out. It looks like there's some evidence of rust in there and rust jacking, but somebody painted over it. So we're going to slowly come down. These treads are typical. They're all the same. So we're just going to proceed down because it just repeats itself. It's all typical. And just ascending down now. This is pretty long, and there's a lot of weight on the platform below. The next platform, there's also the supports are suspect in how they're mounted into the wall. I'm just halfway down here. I just want to get a quick shot over here so you can see what's going on underneath, and you can see the size of those brackets. They look like they're a 1-inch square bracket, and they go back, but we do have siding, and we don't know what's going on behind the siding and what, if anything's been touched inside the wall. Okay, let's continue down here. Now, I've landed. We have a railing that's it appears to be an inch in diameter. The posts are the same. And again, this is pre-existing non-conforming. You've got this bracket over here. And this entire platform, it may not be evident in the video, but it's all slanting. So the supports are suspect. Okay, we're gonna continue over here. We got one big problem. I don't know if this is the same apartment, but this air conditioner here is interfering with the weight box. Somebody help me out to push the weight box out of the way, but this air conditioner is definitely interfering, and it will keep, in an emergency, it will keep the ladder from going all the way down. The ladder, you can see here, it descends all the way down to the sidewalk. The ropes on it haven't been touched. They're suspect. We've got the pulleys are that will come in. It looks like the rope's ready to fall off the pulley on this one, and you can see the other pulley here. So this whole system is suspect and needs further investigation. And as I said before, this weight interferes with the air conditioner. Okay, I'm going to stop the video for now, go down and get some more of the video from the bottom. Let me just go over the platform here. The platform is the same on the first floor as the second floor. Again, you got a 2.5, looks like 2.5 by 2.5 angle that forms the cage. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 brackets. You got this stair landing here, and this is really has some slant to it. So the support is suspect. All right, let me shut this off, and I'll take a few shots from below. Doing this. Okay, you can see the problem to even get this ladder down. We've got to push it and then pull it past the air conditioner.
What was that? Go up. Go up? Yeah. Another height. Yeah.
There you go. And you can see that is not good. Okay, we're going to stop this. Okay, this is Fire Escape Engineers again over in Union City, and I just want to emphasize that slant there. And I just did a little video of how it's impossible to get that ladder up or down. Okay, Fire Escape Engineers, this concludes the video.
Load test still may be required by the AHJ. Failed with major repairs. Technical repair report forbidding. Restoration with permit by a fully licensed vendor. Engineer oversight. 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Fire escape issues. Photos represent what the violations are, not where they are or how many exist. Pass-fail inspection, not technical repair report.